Alright guys, I have everything together. Just checking work because we redid the wiring. It's all routed along nicely on top. It actually goes under the battery tray and comes back up over here to the starter relay. The horns are back in. I have both the belts back on and they're both tensioned. Fan shroud's on. This is in, where I showed you. It's all tight, hopefully that doesn't leak. Oh yeah, I took off this vacuum line. Getting ready to fire it up here. Just around that right there. Everything else seems to be connected. Nothing's in the way of the fan. Battery's hooked up. Put you down real quick. 12.36 volts. I have the cap off because I don't want to build pressure yet. Probably need keys. Not promising. Oh. Duh. Dummy mistake. I'm being a little dummy. Disconnect the ground. Won't have power inside if it's not plugged in, huh? I need both hands. Come on. Yeah, there we go. That all fully seated. There we go. All plugged in. I had that unplugged so I can get down there into the pedal. Oh my god, I'm slow today. Help if I hook the ground back up. All right. Started right up. Right where it should be. No worries about that. We're charging. Back to running. That's only at the bottom. But it looks good in our wires. Just wrapping it up here. I'll pressure test it later. I want to let it fully dry for 24 hours. So I don't want it to build pressure. But yeah, I'd say we're doing pretty good.